How to delete Robinhood profile. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to delete your Robinhood profile properly. Let's jump right in. First, make sure you have downloaded Robinhood app on your phone. If you're an iPhone user, you can download it from App Store, and if you're an Android user, you can download it from Play Store. After that, click on search bar and open Robinhood app. Make sure to log into your account. Before closing your profile, you need to sell all your stocks and crypto and withdraw your cash. Tap the account icon on the bottom right. Then tap on the three line on the top left corner, and here click on settings. Scroll down and tap account information, then select deactivate account. Robinhood will guide you through the steps. Once you complete them, your profile will be closed, and this is how you delete your Robinhood profile. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and comment down below if you have any other queries. Thank you.